Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to add images in the CSV file and is it possible or not. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to add many to many or one to many field in the CSV file while create the record, please check, link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo 1718 development tutorial. Right now we are working on this playlist. If you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright, let's back to our main topic, guys. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe, it will help me a lot, plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. So let's back to our main topic, how to add images in the CSV file using to create the records. Okay, here in the student, going to the data, let me go to the res.partner and I'm going to add files, right? You can see we can use here something like this, but in the CSV file that's not possible. Okay, only the one way it is possible, let me show you here. Using the base64 code we have to mention here, or else specific path, right, which we mention here, it's not working. So let me first give you the not working part. Okay, so first thing is in a double quote, or let's say without double quote, we have to mention here the name of that field. After that we have to, in a double quote, we have to mention this path. Okay, now here the main difference is, you can see it will automatically convert into base64 in the XML side, but we cannot convert anything, so Odoo automatically not convert anything here in the CSV file. Now I'm going to upgrade the module. Guys, if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check a detail level playlist. I already explained everything, and now you can see here. Oh, see, exception module loading student failed, right? And image is not encoded in base64 code. So now let me go to here in under the description, let me create a one Python script like file to base64, right? Here we have to import base64, right, with open. Let's say I want to open this ironman.png, right, with the read and the binary format. And here let's say as img print base64.b64 encode img.read and simple decode utf-8. Sorry. And now let me print. So you can see we have like long code in the base64 code, right? We have to copy. After that we have to mention here that code. All right, and after that we have to again upgrade the module. All right, so we have an error message, don't worry. So let me remove this single quote, right, and remove this B, and let me upgrade one more time. So it's successfully updated. Which user? Tom Jerry. Okay, with the Ironman icon, Tom, and now you can see here the Tom and Jerry Ironman icon. Like this way you have to create, you have to add, sorry, the base64 code. Okay, Another way is, and this is required the customization. Here it's also required the customization because we are trying to convert into the base64 code. So this is the first scenario. Okay, the second scenario is we can use something like this. Let me close this tab. Let me add here, like let's say /static/description, and here let's say tom.png file. Sorry, here you can see tom.png file, right? And here what I'm doing is, like let's say instead of this one, I'm using here to. So basically it falls into the create method or in under the res.partner. Let me minimize this one, and now you can see here this is the res partner I already extended, right? And here I'm trying to get here this path, the student path. Okay, so for that, first thing is I have to import here, import base64 and import OS. After that, here let's say val in vals, right? The first thing is I have to get the current file path to get the module name. Okay, let's say current file path os.path.abs path file, and I want to get here the directory current dir os.path.dir name, and here simple I will use here this variable name, and from here I'm trying to get here the module name, which is the student. Right now I'm getting these models from here, right? Here what I'm doing is like module dir, like os.path.dir name, current directory, right? Here I will use if condition. If the, sorry, let me close this one, image 9020 is available in the well, simple what I'm doing is like that image path equal to well.pop, because I'm trying to remove from the vals, and once I use the pop, so what it does is it will remove this key from this vals, and automatically the whatsoever the specific path, right, this path is there, I'm getting here in this image underscore path. Now here like I have to first verify like whether this file exists in that specific folder or not here. So for that, let's say if os.path is file, right? So here module dir plus, here we have to use image path. Okay, if yes, all right, then you can use with open this path with read and binary as image, right? And simple here again I'm adding sorry, not a val but the val only here. Let's say base64 code dot b64 encode. Here let's say img dot read and decode utf-8, sorry 8, and that's it. Let me upgrade the module and let's see. Okay, now you can see here the name is still Tom Jerry, right? Let me go to here and now you can see the Tom Jerry is available like here. Third scenario is now that part you have to do. Okay, you have to do is simple in this res.partner in a model. You have to create here the custom method. Under the custom method you have to read this CSV file. I mean this CSV file, the full CSV file. Okay, and from here you have to try to create the record. Let's say this name, then after this one, this many to one, this many to many, plus this path is available, something like this. Or based on your convenience, you can also change here the specific path, and you have to also create a new records. Okay, so that part you have to do, and once you've done that part, you can share in the GitHub and also comment in this session, and I'm also going to review your code. Alright, so that's it guys for this session. If you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below, and see you in our next session.